My name's Nathan Marret. I am in the plastics industry, manufacturing of plastic molded components. I have worked with LobbyFox from actually the beginning when it was being developed and rolled the system out to several manufacturing locations. I'd say the most difficult part is knowing that you need the solution, because you don't realize, I think, that you need the solution until you've had it. With the check-in process, the standard in the industry was you may have a receptionist that's taking their information, but in other times it's just a sign-in book. But then anybody that came in behind them could see who had just checked in right before them, so the competitors can see who had signed in, could have their contact information. And then sometimes there was a safety brochure that you would pick up, and it was a lot of paperwork, and the industry basically accepted that as a norm. There was an opportunity here to provide that more secure check-in process, as well as being able to provide information and a custom safety video depending upon the different visitor types, and then also asking a safety quiz at the end just to make sure that you've retained that information. That was not part of the standard process in the past. It was difficult for us in the beginning to see that, okay, we need something different on our check-in process. But after we had it in place, we were thinking, gosh, what were we going to do without this? It has actually allowed us to free up a receptionist that was sitting at the front desk and give them an opportunity to do other work. LobbyFox, it just isn't the check-in process. With the back end of the system, there's an opportunity for us to use that information for tracking of all of the visitors that have come through. So LobbyFox was definitely an evolution, but then also just with the LobbyFox team, they were so easy to work with. If we had a safety video, and maybe there was a new requirement that came about, and so now we had to add that new requirement, so they were quick to work with us to then create that new content and roll it out across the system. So anytime that there was a need, the LobbyFox team was there to help support that. So I highly recommend working with LobbyFox as a solution. There are other solutions in the industry, but they have gaps. And where they have gaps, LobbyFox doesn't.